Hello and welcome to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today we're going to be walking through the largest of the ATX fleet. This is the ATX 24 Type S. This boat is going to be 24 feet, have a 19-person capacity, so you can bring all of your friends for wake surfing, wakeboarding, or just cruising around the lake. You will notice that it is the pickle fork front, so this is going to allow you to have a nice deep cockpit as well as it being the full width of the boat. As you walk in, my favorite feature on this boat is the placement of the battery switch. I know it sounds simple, but I've been on so many boats where I have to find which compartment it's under, tell someone to move so I can turn the battery switch on, but in this case, just reach in and you have access right there. You will also have some other convenience factors, so you'll have a keyless ignition stereo system on board. So you just type in your password and the boat will start. You'll have your paddles behind that will control your speed control, audio, and have the rear camera pop up on the screen. As we move back into the boat, you'll notice again that you have plenty of deep seating with some optional backrest that you can pop in on your port and starboard side, depending on where you would like to have it. This one's going to have the upgraded Transom transformation package. So if you're on the back of the boat, you want to have that stadium style seating, you will have options on both sides to set it up. Have the center walk through with no cushion, that way you don't have to worry about stepping on your vinyl. This boat is going to be optioned with your rear backup camera in the back of the boat, as well as your audio transom control. So if you like this boat and want to figure out more details about it, please give us a call. My number is down in the link below. Call MarineMax Georgia and we can set up a time to view this boat.